Hi, I'm Alex, and this is the first fully electric leading vehicle of the Tour de France, the ŠKODA ENYAQ iV. Underneath this gorgeous velvet red hood are the many features that make this beauty more than just an ordinary car. Christian Prudhomme, the director of the Tour de France, and his team are going to need all of these features to make this tour run smoothly, including the 6 antennas on top. Mr. Prudhomme sits right here. This is his command post, and as you can see, there's a lot of space to command. This is the additional middle console with 5 radio channels, so he can transmit orders and information and keep in contact with the other tour cars. Bonjour, ça va?
Attention, le peloton passe la bande des...
But he doesn't just sit here. He even stands here to signal to the peloton to begin the stage. On y va! Mr. Prudhomme is always ready to serve chilled champagne thanks to the built-in mini fridge. Sometimes there are honorable and very important guests. Santé?
Santé, ça va?
Ça va bien. It's getting hot in here. Luckily, there's area air conditioning. There's a lot of space in the back, but there's even more in the front, and the seating is ideal for sitting comfortably through the longest stages of the race. And if it starts to get a bit stressful, there's a massage function.
Allez, allez.
But there's really no need to be tense. This car comes equipped with the most innovative safety features that keeps not only the passengers safe, but also the audience members and the riders. And the ENYAQ iV is fully electric, and with that comes a boatload of advantages. And the powerful acceleration of the silent electric drive makes sure that this car stays effortlessly where it needs to be, in front of the peloton. I would love to take this car for a spin. Not just on the tour. Can I take it for a spin now?
Skoda. Simply clever.